All right. Welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and today, well, let's get it on with this one. We're going to see on how to do the extended dreadlocks, and I told you these are temporary dreadlocks. Temporary dreadlocks, yeah, that means that anytime you want to remove them, you will remove it and remain with your hair safe. You understand what I'm saying? That means like when you want to remove this hair, your hair is going to stay safe. So I'm going to try to show you this time around. We're going to see some trick on how I make the dreads very long. I know a lot of people have been asking me how do I do to make the dreads very long. So this time around, try to give me your time. And if it's your first time to be on this channel, please just click on that red button and you ring the bell. It works so much for me, and I will appreciate if you do that for me. So you can see her hair, the way it is very damaged, but that one doesn't stop us to do the extended dreads because it is also protective, it is soft, and it won't cause anything concerning on these damaged hair. So someone had asked me, what do I always use when the one that I always apply? This is the molding gel. Molding gel is what I always use. Sometimes someone told me that is for him, he used it and it was bad. I don't think so. Maybe for you just used it on the whole hair, but you have to use it. I use it to collect the whole hair together. I don't make it to reach this to reach up like the whole hair. I don't put it on the whole hair. I just put it down, and you can see if when I'm doing some other locks, I don't put it there just because for them they're already fine, they're together. So this is how we are going to be doing. And another thing, whenever you're locking anything, I realized doing a box, it is somehow the locking doesn't come out very well than doing that rectangular. You understand what I'm saying? So you can try to see these ones, they're not like boxes, that somehow a bit long, they're like rectangular. So it's good to use this shape. It will help you in the locking. Why? Because this one helps that you have to lock once. And please, I repeat this one, make sure whenever you're locking, try to leave that 1/4 inch as you're locking, because people have been complaining that dreads are painful, but they're painful just because some people do these mistakes. They lock up to the skin, and when you're going to apply the other extension, it hurts. So I would advise, like whenever you're locking, the way you're seeing the way I'm doing, I don't lock up to the end, up to the skin. I try to leave a 1/4 inch for my extension, where my extension is going to pass through. So you can see how I keep on doing it. And like this hair in front, we always use two methods. There is the cross method, and or maybe that V method. So this is how it is. You can see how I'm using the gel from down. You understand? I'm using the gel from down, and I keep on doing my rectangular boxes just like that. So to those ones, by the way, I always laugh at those people who try to skip like these like someone who skips the video, yet you want to learn, and then after you go back in my comment section, you start asking the same questions, yet I already talked about them. Seriously, sometimes it's not good. So it's always good to listen to the words that we be telling you, so that you also get to learn all those things. Because sometimes I believe the words that we say, they're even better than what you're saying, because you won't do something that you don't know. You understand? So it's good you first listen to the word that someone is telling you, and then you can start doing it. So the kinky looks like this. The kinky looks like this. Those ones who have been asking me, it looks like this. I know there are some people who have them. Yes. So as you're doing it, you try to make sure that is soft. Yes, you try to make sure that is soft. Just like that. Yes, those ones. You can see how I'm doing it. I decided to do it this way. Wow, you can see I'm doing it, and then you just try to remove the tip, just that, and then down like that. So what I'm going to show you here is, you can see the way this braid is a bit short. It's a bit short. It's not that very long. So I'm going to show you what the methods that I do to make my extended dread very long. You understand what I'm saying? So I want you to give me your attention as we're doing this. So let's first do the first step as usual. Like, I want to first show you how we always do the extended dreads, and these ones I told you they are very, very okay, as in plating and removing, just because we use the hair to lock them. So try to look here very careful, in that I just lock it once and down using your own hair. That means when you're going to remove them, when you're going to remove them, it will be easy for you, as you will be unlocking them as you're seeing the word, as you're seeing the lock. You'll be seeing your hair, so you just try to remove your hair. So this is why I'm saying, like, extended braid is very, very okay, and trust me, you can do anything with it. So that step is done, and I would like to show you, I'm going to show you what I always do to make my extended dread very long. But remember, the first step, we do it down, up, down, up. That's how we always lock. And you don't lock here before, you'd first lock here before locking down. You first lock here just like that, and then after, if you see there's still a space, you can still try to, that's the space that I always leave there, because I don't want my client to feel that pain. Then I come back, then after I lock it up. So you don't do it before locking down there, because yeah, sometimes you might do it and it creates here a big body, and then when you're going to lock it, it doesn't, it can't, like, as it is passing through, it tries to pain. So you first lock, and then after you do this finishing. You understand what I'm saying? So it means that the next time you're going to lock the door, may be doing repair, the hair it will be grown already. So now here you can see how my dreads are very long. I'm going to show you the next step, what I do to make it very long, because I had showed you that you see, like this one, you see why it stops, it comes and stops here, you see, but yet my braids are still long. So let's get it on and see this step very careful, so that you can see what I do to make it look very long. So as we are starting, we always do up. This one at least you all know, and we do it down, just like that. Do it up and then down. And I would like to thank those people who always tell me that they really appreciate, and they're learning a lot from me. Thank you so much. And please, you can still go in my comment section, tell me wherever you're watching from, which country you're in, so that I also I'll be proud of myself. Yeah, so that I can be proud of myself, think that yes, I'm now, yeah, everyone is watching me from everywhere. So this is how we keep unlocking it. I want you to look at this step very, very serious, because it is going to help you a lot. And so when you're done with that, you can see my my hair is going to an end, It's going to an end. So when I reach there, the first thing I do as I try to check how, I bring my other hair to add on. You understand? So when you bring the other hair to add on, let it not be very big so that it creates a different, if it's big, it will create a difference from this one that you're seeing. So you try to make sure that it's a bit it's a bit not big, so that it can be equal, as it doesn't show that it's where you added on. Then I bring this, I pass through it just like that. Yes, and then after passing through it, I try to join it with the other one into 3 portions, and I remove a small one. It's what I start locking, just like that. You see? So, and you cannot tell where I added the other one from, just because it is all equal. So you should always make sure that what you're going to add, it's not that very big, it's not big. So this one is also going to help. It's going to help you on how to learn all this. So this is how you just have to keep on locking. And I would like you guys, if you're watching me wherever you are, just go in my comment section, write what you have learned from me and what you would need to learn more, and yes, and what would you want me to do for you. So I told you my name is Maurice the Crochet Master on my Instagram. You can also go and follow me out. Yes, so this is how we keep on doing this. And please guys, thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for the support you have showed me, yes, ever since we started. So now I'm going to sign out, but let me try to leave this this special, is, I call it a special announcement. No, it's just something like a basic. Please never lock here, like doing this locking before. You should always do this first before doing the finishing down. You understand? You first lock here first, then you do the finishing down. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. So as you're locking, please, as you're locking the extended dread, you should always leave the 1/4 inch so that your extended dread can pass through. You understand what I'm saying? So that one is also going to help you out. And thank you so much, those ones in United States of America, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, Ghana, Tanzania, Kenya, Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, United Emirates, France, Oman, Trinidad. Oh my God, there are many South Africa. Everyone is watching me. Thank you so much, and I love you so much. So please, I use Maurice the Crochet Master on my Instagram, my personal account, so you can still go and follow me out so that we can keep on chatting more. For now, I sign out and see how amazing my extended dreadlocks, the way they look, very flexible, and trust me, it's temporarily. If you want to remove them, or even after a year, you can still remove them and stay with your hair very nice and protected. For now, I sign out. Bye bye. I love you.